Go, 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 go. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Shit. Yo, guys, we're back. Ashley's here. Big forehead. Just kidding. We have Jake Paul again. What's up, Jake Paul?
Watching one right now.
Oh, yeah, he's watching School Days 3. We have Keenan here. Say what's up, Keenan. All right, Keenan's here, too. Oh, look, it's Jade. Jade, say hi to the vlogs. Yeah. She's also watching. Let's see. Oh, there's Tyler. Tyler. He's talking to his side hoe. It's all good. Say what's up to the vlogs, bro. Yo, say hi to the vlogs. That's Tyler's side hoe. That's Austin over there. Austin, say hi to the vlogs. Okay. Fuck you, then. He's kind of a bitch. All right, guys. It's Yep. All right. I'll talk to you guys in a second. All right, guys.
All right.
We're walking upstairs now with the vlogs. Yeah. This is Liam. He's new to the vlogs.
Hi.
Yeah. I think Keenan should start his own YouTube channel though. I think that should be a thing.
Why?
So me and you can do collabs, man.
Why don't you ask Jade to do that?
No, because Jay doesn't understand the vlog life.
I mean, what do you mean she doesn't understand?
I mean, the camera would be like right here, and it'd be like, "Hey guys, what's up?" All right, guys. We're back. Ian, hi. How are you today? You good? Yeah. It's a vlog channel.
Hey, all white bitches out there, give me
All right. God damn it, illegal. I need to get my phone. It's still recording. Stop.
I hate you.
You're messing up the vlog.
Yeah,
What
come on.
one?
My vlog, bitch. God damn it.
Babe.
It's Rachel. She's on the vlogs. Lord.
Phone.
God, everyone's so guys, we're back with our guest, Jake Paul, here. And we're going to be doing a Q&A today. So, Jake, what do you think about people that think about you, man? Do you care about people's views of you, or you're just like free-spirited guy?
Free-spirited.
Nice, that's what I expected. All right. All right, Jake. So, okay.
Start with me.
Wait.
I'm in the vlog.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is another Jake Paul person.
Tessa Brooks.
Tessa Brooks. But okay, I'm gonna cut most of this out. But how do you feel about your brother Logan Paul?
I don't know.
All right.
Oh, bring that
guy. How do you feel about Logan Paul?
He's cool.
All right, guys. That's the end of this segment with Jake Paul. Lord. All right, yo guys, we're back. It is, I don't know, we're in fourth period. What's up, Keenan? You'll see this later, probably. That's a Maya. We're back again with emo boy Camden and McLovin. no, you're the emo one now. I don't know what. But we're taking this weird like diagnostics thing, bro. Tom Haverford, he is from a show I watched called Parks and Rec. That is cool. And so if someone could comment down below what the answer to this is.
Let me expose this boy real quick. This boy, it said highlight the conjunctive adverb. This boy didn't highlight anything. Just hit subject.
Who was that boy?
You guys.
Guys, he's insulting you, bro. Yo, there's some heat coming from somewhere. I think it's from Archer's computer. Hey, wait. Yo, what are you looking at, man? Yo, dude, bars, man. Heard this just dropped the other day, man. I love these things. I love this, man. Yo, he gets real music. Archer is a real music guy. Hold on, let's go ask Keenan. Do you like VeggieTales music?
Are you vlogging right now,
Yes.
buddy? Can I see it? Alright, hey guys, it's your bro Keenan out here. Got my bro Abe. He's got a blue jacket on, so do I. And a Bear Cruise.
Oh, hey, what's up? What are you laughing about?
Yeah, ready? Go.
Oh, baby.
My hand's bleeding. No, it is. Fuck, no. Damn it. Alright, ready?
3, 2. Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
He's not gonna
No, let me win, bro. Can I have the rest of the sandwich?
Got it,
Fuck, he like cried. We are looking at the subway monkey. The ink, this is the ink monkey of the African rainforest. Ayat, are you recording? Ready? Fake news. Yeah, fake.